How to send crypto from Coinbase to any wallet. Sending crypto from Coinbase to any wallet in 2025 is simple and secure. First, open the Coinbase app or log in to your Coinbase account on web. On the home screen, tap the send button or go to your portfolio. Select the crypto you want to send like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and then tap send. Now, open your receiving wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Ledger, or etc. and copy the wallet address for that specific crypto. Back in the Coinbase, paste the address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send and double check the network. For example, Ethereum should go to an ETH address, not as BSC1. You can also add a note if needed. Review the transaction details, including the estimated network fee, then confirm the transfer by tapping Send Now. If 2FA is enabled, you'll be asked for your verification code. After sending, you can track the transaction from your Coinbase Activity tab using Blockchain Explorer like Etherscan or blockchain.com. And that's it.